Hey everybody, JR from JrZCarZ, and in this video, I'm going to show you where the battery is on this 2014 Chevy Traverse. Because with the cold weather settling in, it's been getting a little sluggish on the morning startups. And it's about time to check it. So it's not in the location where you think it might be. So stick around and I'll show you where it is. So obviously the first place you're going to look is underneath your hood. You would think it's here, but it's definitely not. But what you do have is a power lug and a ground nub here. And if you pull back the cover on this, you'll see that's your positive, and then this could be a ground for your negative. Now you can hook up a multimeter to both of these and get your battery's voltage, but why not go straight to the battery and make sure that what you see here is the same as what you see in the battery too. Now what I got at those two terminals were 12.23 volts. And see, here's the thing with batteries, right? So you saw that it had roughly around like 12.2 volts resting. You have your resting voltage, but then you also have your load too. So the resting voltage being around like 12.2 volts really isn't that big of a deal. But what you could do is you can put your voltmeter in between the positive and the negative terminals and then crank the engine, and you can see how far down the voltage will go when you're cranking the engine, putting a load on it too. So that's a good test too, is to see how far the voltage dips down when you're putting a load on the battery as well. Well, here we are the next morning. I checked the resting battery voltage and it was at 12.02. So it's definitely needing a replacement, but here's how it sounds when I start it up in the morning. So it always does start. It's just a little sluggish on the startup, so we'll get that new battery in there. I'm going to show you now where the battery actually is. So you got to go around your car, go into the back door, and underneath your floor mat here is where the battery is. So what you want to do is get your passenger seat as far forward as you can, lift up your mat. You can see right in here, right underneath this cover is where the battery is. But then you have to get the covers off your seat tracks here, which they're just clipped into place. So you can pick those up. It's really only the left side one that you need to move. You don't need to move this one here, but right underneath here, underneath all this garbage, of course, is where your battery sits. Now, mind you, I just bought this car not too long ago, and I haven't really had a chance to do a thorough cleaning. That needs to get done. All right, so what you can see is you have a screw that you have to take out, which is a T20 Torx bit. And if you don't have one of these tools or a Torx bit set, go out and get yourself one, because it's an invaluable tool to have. So you're going to take that T20, take that screw out, and then this cover will come off. And this is what that screw looks like. Make sure you don't lose it. Now, let's go ahead and pull this cover up. And there you go. There's your battery. As you can see, battery is here. You have your negative, your positive terminals. Terminals themselves look pretty good, so there's no corrosion at all or anything like that, so that's always a good thing. However, what I do see here is a date stamping of 11/2022. Now, we're almost at the end of 2025, so battery's about a little bit over 3 years old. It's probably time for a replacement at this point. I loosened up the 10mm nuts that are on the negative and the positive terminal, and I pulled the wiring out of the way here. Just make sure you're being very careful with the wiring. There's a lot of small wires here. You don't want to break anything. You don't want to mess anything up. So just set it out of the way just to get yourself enough room to get to that bolt down there for the tie down, and then pull the battery out. All right, now this is what your hold down looks like. It's basically just a piece of plastic that goes on the battery, and that's the bolt there. One other thing to look for is that tube right there. That's a vent. go ahead and disconnect that tube here. It just pulls loose. And then set that aside. And then at this point, we can get the battery out of here. Now, sometimes the new batteries won't have the tube here, but you can pull the little vent tube off of the other one and put it in there. And then when you put this all back together, you can reconnect that hose. All right, new battery's back in. The vent is reconnected. The hold down is back in place. Now it's time to get the battery terminals back on, and we'll give it a start and see how she is. And of course, don't forget to put your covers back. Much better. So I hope this helped you out and it showed you where your battery is, what to look for, and kind of some troubleshooting points on your first generation Traverse. So do me a favor, if this helped you out, hit the like button, drop your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel, because that helps me bring more content to you by doing those things. So I hope everybody's staying safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.